Is it just me or do I hear rumbling? It's not just you. I was trying to sleep through it. What? Yeah, I heard it too. It's right above us. I don't know what that would be. I'll just check it out. Could it be this green thing? I don't even know what it is. So how could we know? What the heck? Wait, it is that green thing. Hey, what is that? Oh man, where is it now? Ow! Leave us alone. Thanks, Apple. No problem. I'll go wake Wolfie and Cinnamon. They could really help us right now. Did I miss anything? Like I was saying, did I miss anything? No, nothing unless you count being attacked by something. Well, I do count that. Well, that isn't our fault that I attacked. Where's Stripes and everyone else? I don't know, okay? A bit early, don't you think? I don't know, but we're being attacked. You should have told me that. Just get me back into your bunker or something. I don't know. Oh, it's fine. I don't have a bunker, but I guess I'll just crawl under here. Fine, I'm getting under here. Yep, same, because I live with him. Oh my god. I guess it's just up to us now. Hey, wait up, man. Guess I'm in on it all. Hey, Blueberry. What? You're too injured to go out there. Don't you think about it. Alright, fine. Hey, I saw it down here. Alright, I'm coming to you. Wait up. Huh? You found it? Let me go. Wait up, Mr. Pitbull. You can attack. Fine, I guess you're right. I can't attack. Yeah. We really need Stripes on our team right now. You mean this guy? Yeah, he only injured me a bit. But, you sure? Because your leg's completely snapped. I'll fix it. I just teleport you to a safer place. Is this better? Whoa, the view is insane from down here. We get to see the whole squad. Well, besides the point, my arm does really hurt. Alright, well, I guess I'll have to fix it or something. I don't know. Ow! This mountain's quite steep. Anyways. What was that? I don't know, but I didn't see it. Ow! What the? It's that green thing! Hey! Get out of here! Do you think I was a little bit too harsh? He looks like he just wanted a home. Well, then why did he attack everybody? Maybe we invaded his. If he even has one. I'm about to find out. You're about to find out. Hey! Dude! I didn't mean what I said back there. No! Wait up! I promise you all what do you want from us? I want food. Food? Oh. Just thinking that makes me hungry. I just noticed we haven't... Oh, I got it. Let's go hunting. took you long enough. Please don't hurt me. I won't. We just didn't understand, okay? Why'd you hit people? I didn't want them to get my food. The rest of it is gone anyways. And now I'm starving. Makes sense. Hey, why don't you say you come help us? I think we got a friend of our... Oh no. What is this? Oh, a bunker? Wait, wasn't I just at the mountain? Well, must be in my mind or something. Wake up. Wake up. What happened? You fell asleep while you were talking to me about some other person? Now I think about it. Whoa. I never knew the sunset was so beautiful. Or rise. I lost track of time. Anyways, I was just talking about my friend, but he's probably dead. That's why we moved here. Sorry for invading your home, by the way. Oh, what was that? Sorry for invading your home. You're fine. I'm just... Crap, he's gonna need food ASAP. Let me get Wolf.